Hey, it's Thursday night and I just got home from a party. Um, yeah, I'm posting this video early because this weekend I will not be here. Sorry I travel so much. I'll be in Plowin for a Rotary weekend where we'll be talking about our countries, and I don't really know what I'm going to present because I don't know traditional American families do, because I do Mexican things. So on the way there, I think I'm gonna learn really quick crash course on how to be a typical American. I'm probably not making any sense right now. Anyway, this week I went to school and hung out with a lot of my friends. Don't really remember what else I've done. Been to school, hung out with my friends. And, I bought a straightener. My hair isn't very straight right now, but it's not as big as it usually is. So, yeah. Good thing. I don't know. I think that's basically it. You actually pretty proud of your Spanish video. You may have repeated a lot of things over and over, but you tried. That's all I asked for. I hope you're still studying your Spanish. Yeah, but like I said, that's basically it. Hopefully I'll have more things to tell you next week, since I'm actually going to do something this weekend. And I'll see you Tuesday.